Hey, what's going on, guys? Stravik here with you. So I got some questions about how I was able to add the soundboard to my stream. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little 3-minute rundown on how you can add it to yours as well. So here we go. All right, guys. As you guys can see here, I've already added one sound clip here under my sources. Once you get it added here, it'll show up here on your mixer because it does play a sound out of your stream. So all I had to do to get this added is, first of all, get an MP3 file. Now, I can show you guys how to do an MP3 file. Just if you guys want, leave comments down below, and I will put together a video for that. But once I have the MP3 file, I'll go into add new source here. Now, media source is what you're adding to your stream here. Once you click that, you'll hit add source. And what you want to do is, if you're bringing in a brand new MP3 player, or excuse me, a brand new MP3 file, you want to hit add new source. And you can just label that whatever you want to. Like, I might add mine as, let's add another laugh one. We're going to hit add source here. Now, this is very important. You want to take that little check mark out of restart playback when source becomes active. All right, take that off of there. Go into browse, and I'm just going to bring that right over to here. Actually, I'm going to do something different here. We're going to open up
the bold strategy, Cotton.
So once I do that, of course, it'll load up that local file right here, and then we'll hit done. And then I'm going to go over here, and I'm just going to rename that because I chose a different file. So bold is what we're going to go with here. Now, what I need to do is I need to add that to a hotkey first. So we'll go in here, down here to hotkeys. We're scroll down here. We'll just keep going past until we hit our sources area here, and just watch until we find bold. So this bold, where we want to put that key is right here for restart. And I think we'll use number pad 3. Now, I use my number pad for all my hotkeys because I really don't use it for anything else in any of the games that I play. Now, another key thing that you guys want to do is, for mixer, you want to go to the sprocket on your mixer. Where it says bold, you want to go in here and you want to put it in monitor only mute output. The reason why we're doing that, guys, is because when we hit that button, we will hear it through our headset and know that it's playing on the stream itself. All right. Next thing you want to do is go down here, and I'll crank mine down to about where the rest of my volume is, but you're going to have to play around with this. Reason being is some MP3 files, once they transfer over, maybe might not be as loud as others. So you'll have to adjust the sound, and if need be, go into the sprocket here, go into filters, and throw a gain on there so that you can boost it up even more if you need to. All right. So we'll just hit our little key here.
The bold strategy, Cotton.
And that's it, guys. It's that easy. So if you guys have any questions on what we did there, or if you guys just want to come out and come ask other questions about stuff with Streamlabs, I do stream Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 8 p.m. Central. Come out, come hang out. Or you can leave comments down below on my YouTube channel. And if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy streaming.